I want you out in the pouring rain. I want you down on your knees, praying to God that I feel the same. I'm right here, baby, so please hold me up, tie me down, 'cause I never wanna leave your side. I swear to never let you down, and it's been eating me alive. You can take me home, you can never let me go. Hold me up, and time.
Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting about the history, people, geography, and culture of Molo, one of the most historic districts in Iloilo City. Molo is known to the rich cultural heritage, historical landmarks, and contribution to education and leadership in the Philippines. Molo was established in 1637 during the Spanish colonial period. Before becoming part of Iloilo City, it was an independent town. It was called a Parian, or a Chinese district, where the Chinese merchants live and conduct business. Over time, it developed into a center of education and culture. The name Molo came from the word Moro, referring to Muslim riders who attacked the town in the past. Because Chinese settlers had difficulty pronouncing the letter R, they pronounced it as Molo, which became the town's official name. In 1937, Molo was officially incorporated into Iloilo City because of its many educated residents. It earned the Athens of the Philippines. Molo is known for producing many important and educated individuals. Because of this, it gained a reputation as a center of knowledge and leadership. Prefecto Poblador was known as a lawyer and public servant from the Molo Iloilo. He gained respect in his community for his work, the legal profession, and his dedication to the public service. One notable figure connected to the Molo is Jose Rizal, who visit the area admire its beautiful church, even calling it La Iglesia Bonita, meaning the beautiful church. Molo has also produced many professions such as senator, judge, military leaders, and educators. Their contribution helped shape not only Iloilo but also the entire country. These individuals are considered local heroes because of their impact on society and their role in promoting education and good governance. Molo is located in the southern part of Iloilo City. It has land area of about 5.54 square kilometers squared and a population of more than 20,000 people. It is bordered by the districts of Arevalo, Mandurriao, La Paz, and the city proper. It is also near the Batiano River and the Iloilo Strait, which make it accessible for trade and transportation. Today, Mulo is a busy urban district with residential areas, schools, government officers, and small businesses. The people's main resource of livelihood include the commerce, service, and the food-related businesses. Despite the modernization, Mulo still preserves its historical charm and cultural identity. Molo has unique culture influenced by Spanish and Chinese tradition. One of its famous landmarks in Molo Church, also known as the Feminist Church, because of all saints inside are female. This church is also of the most iconic structure in Iloilo. Molo is also known for its delicious dish called pancit molo, a warm soup made with the pork dumplings. It is one of the most famous local foods in the region. Tribo Buanon sang Molo represented in the Nagyang Festival with the dances and rituals, showcasing Molo's heritage with a theme like the Baboy Talonon. This festival includes religious activities, gatherings, and the community celebration. The main language spoken in the Molo is the Hiligaynon, also known as the Ilonggo. The district is also home of the historical places like Molo Plaza and Molo Mansion, which attract tourists. Overall, Molo's culture reflects a blend of the tradition, history, and the modern life.